Very, very good news for Wear OS users. It appears in the code for Android Wear OS version 4. Whoops, there goes the food. It appears that there is going to be a beta support, meaning if you have a Pixel Watch, you will be able to run beta software on your Pixel Watch, just like we have available for our Pixel phones, our Pixel devices. You can test, essentially, the latest, no, not even the latest, the next version, the upcoming version of the next software. You'll be able to test it. Now, we don't know when, but it should be soon. I'm guessing probably within 6 weeks, 8 weeks, something like that. So maybe a month and a half or 2 months, it should be available. Now, this would be for Wear OS 4.0, and it will be available to not only Wi-Fi Pixel Watch owners, it'll also be available for the 4G connectivity variants as well, which is interesting. Now, and if you got your watch from a carrier, meaning like T-Mobile, or I'm not sure who else sold it. I know T-Mobile did for sure. That won't matter. If you still got it through T-Mobile, you can still run the beta version of software on that device. In the past, not all Pixels in the past were not available for the beta program. Now it's wide open. If you get it from at&t, T-Mobile, wherever, if you have a carrier variant or a Google Store variant, it doesn't matter. Now, the Android Wear OS version 4, the upcoming one, the one that they are about to release beta on, it's going to be interesting to see. Flashing that is difficult. It's much harder than a phone because you actually have a plug you can plug into your phone and flash something. Watches don't, right? They just have a little charging, wireless charging to charge those devices. So it's going to have to be all by over the air. And I think now, I heard rumbles of this a while ago, maybe 8 months ago, a year ago. Nothing ever came of it. And I'm wondering, obviously, maybe the pandemic had something to do with it. But also, I'm wondering if they had issues with somewhere deciding how to go about this. Because with the Pixels, the actual phones, you have two choices. You can either do one beta software. You can either do one over the air, meaning you just sign up for it and then they shoot you over the air OTAs. Whether you get in the software program, a beta program, or you get out of it, it's all over the air. And it was also, you could also plug it up to your computer and do ADB, flashing these beta versions to your device. Obviously, with a watch, you can't plug it in. So there's the conundrum, I guess, if you want to say. But I don't know for sure if that's what was hindering the beta version for Wear OS, but nonetheless, it's right around the corner. So if you are a Pixel, oh, that reminds me, I have a $100 off. We've bought so many devices from the Google Store. I don't use Wear OS. I tried it. I just can't do it. If you're watching this, go to my community tab. I did a community post on this YouTube channel. I have a coupon where if you're looking to get a Pixel Watch, I can get you $100 off. No questions asked. All you do is just copy and paste the promo code I have posted in the community tab to your checkout page, and boom, you get $100 off, and it'll work on any watch. It's not only a specific model or the cheaper one. No, this will work for any Wi-Fi, data, variant, anything. So if you're interested in getting a Pixel Watch, we have the promo code $100 off. So you can basically get sorry about that. You can basically get the Pixel Watch. I think they are about $300, $349 So we can get you a Pixel Watch for like $200 or $249. So that's a pretty good deal if you're interested in one. Go check out our promo code for the Pixel Watch and get you $100 off. So, mess. I gotta go. I got my food spilling over. I got stuff all falling. So I'm a mess. I gotta go. Appreciate y'all joining. Subscribe to the page. We got tons of cool stuff coming your way. I promise you. And Nothing Phone 2 next week. We're gonna get it, and we are gonna review it and have a fun time. Thank you.